This YouTube channel makes over $10,000 every month and has amassed millions of views, all within just a year. It's become a goldmine, not just from video ad revenue, but also from selling books. They even have their own app in the App Store. How are they doing this? By creating animated bedtime stories for children, tapping into a timeless and always in-demand niche. But the real question is, how can you replicate this success and start earning thousands of dollars every month? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create animated bedtime stories for children and create a steady passive income. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create a faceless YouTube channel and start making money with animated stories. Before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, let's get started. If you want success on YouTube, it is important to see what is doing well on YouTube and copy that, but add your own twist. So what we are going to do first is go to her page on YouTube and find a video that we want to recreate. Then, we copy the link of the video and go to DubDub. Here, you can translate your video into text, create a free account, and you will get a free trial for 3 days. Then, go to Products, and then to AI Transcription. Here, you press YouTube, paste the link you copied and press Transcribe. Now you get the entire script of the video. We copy that and go to ChatGPT. Here, we ask ChatGPT to change the script for us and turn it into a story about the zoo. We also ask ChatGPT to create prompts for Leonardo AI so that we have matching images for our video that fit exactly with the story. I also want to make a nice talking zoo worker who tells the story. So, I also asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for this. We are now opening Leonardo AI. Here, you can create a free account and you receive 150 credits every day to create images. I will add all the links of the websites used below in the description. One by one, you'll copy the prompts from ChatGPT and create the images for our video. Don't forget to set all the preferences, elements, and styles you want for your images. The format we use is 16:9, as this is the best format for a YouTube video. Once you have created everything, choose the photos you want to use and download them. For the next section, we're going to use Immersity AI. Here, we'll animate the rest of our images. Create an account. It's very easy. You can upload an image right away, and it will bring your image to life. On your right, you have different options. You can choose from various animation styles. You can also make the video longer, and so much more. It's definitely worth checking out all the features. Once you have the settings you like, start exporting your video. Choose the MP4 3D motion. I then choose the Plus version, press Next, and then Export. After this, you can download it. Do this with all your images. After we have done that, we go to 11 Labs for the voice. As I mentioned before, the voice of our avatar is not good enough, and we want a voice that sounds more like a human. Create an account here, and we will look for a good voice for our story. I am looking for a high-quality female voice. Let's listen to the options.
The only one who can tell you you can't win is you, and you don't have to listen.
Okay, this one is good. We're going to add her to my library of voices. We copy the story again from ChatGPT and paste it here so we can generate the voice. That sounds good. Now we can download it and use it for our story. Now that we have all the parts, we will put the story together in CapCut. Open CapCut and upload everything, including the voiceover. We start with our talking avatar. You will see a logo at the bottom left. I don't want that. So let's remove the logo. There are 2 ways to remove the logo. The first way is very simple. You zoom in on your image until you no longer see the logo. For the second option, we go to Online Video Cutter to remove the logo. There, you upload the video, select the logo you want to remove, and press Apply. The logo will be gone. After this, you download your video again and you can use it. I will choose the first option. Let's begin. First, I'll turn off the sound on this video since I won't use it. Then, I'll add the voice recording we got from 11 Labs and adjust the volume a bit. Next, I'll pinpoint where the narration begins with the first animal, the lion, and make a cut there, letting the voiceover continue. Afterward, I'll insert the video clip of the lion. I'll then locate where she bids goodnight to the lion and insert the sleeping lion footage at that point. I'll trim the voiceover and place it towards the end of the lion segment, creating a moment with just background music and no narration. I'll do this for all the parts. Once everything's in place, I'll add the narrator again at the end to finish the video. Next, we'll search for soothing music. I'll navigate to the music section, search for lullaby, and select a suitable track to add to our video. I'll ensure the music spans the entire video by copying and pasting it as needed. Now, I'll add smooth transitions between each clip to make the video flow nicely. Then, I'll use a filter to make the visuals look better. Finally, I'll add captions by going to text and choosing auto captions and adjust how they look. Once all that's done, my video is ready. I export my video and it is ready to post on YouTube. Let's take a look at how it turned out.
Welcome to the peaceful zoo. It's time to put the zoo animals to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go and see who's still awake. Hello, lion. He's been roaring and prowling around his enclosure all day, and now he's feeling sleepy. Can you say goodnight to the lion and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, lion. Hello, monkey. They've been swinging from tree to tree with their friends all day, and now they're tired. Can you help tuck the monkey in and wish them a good night? Good night, monkey. Hello, elephant. She's been spraying water and playing in the mud all day, and now she's ready to settle down and sleep. Can you say good night to the elephant and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, elephant.
I hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to start your own YouTube channel and start to earn thousands of dollars each month. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps me create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.